I welcome you back to Beauty Mountains Images. We are going to design our book. So let's create our dimension first. We are going to have 9.847 inches by 7.278 inches. Let's create. So let's go on and create the dimension. Come to File and then New. We are going to make it 4.75 inches and this one remains. So let's create. Let's change the color. So choose any color from here and click OK. Now let's drag and drop this dimension to have the size of our front page. Now come to layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold the shift key and drag this one also to the left. So we now have our front page size and our back page size. Come to View and activate the rulers. Drag a line from here and place it right here, and drag another line also and place it right here. So let's go ahead and delete the shapes. Now our dimensions are set. Let's proceed to the design. Import the first image. Drag and drop. Now drop it into your project. Click here and let's flip it vertically. Let's resize. Now come to filter and let's add Gaussian blur. Let's increase the blur. I'll take 78 pixels. Let's add our image. So before we import, let's get rid of the background. Come to the eraser tool, right click and choose Magic Eraser tool. So just click the background to get rid of it. Drag and drop into your project. Okay, let's add another shape and place it right here. Let's change the color of the shape. Come to color and then let's type in this code 161A2B for this color. Click OK. Select this layer and then add a layer mask. Choose Gradient tool. Let's add our flare also. So drag and drop this one also into the project. Make sure to select it and then come to the blending mode. Let's use screen. Then lastly, just want to, in the blending mode, choose screen. Okay, press and hold the shift key, then drag from this side to the bottom. Drag this side as well. Click OK. Select this layer and add the layer mask. Then choose the eraser tool and set the hardness to 0 and increase the size. Let's clean the edges of the flare. Also select your photo and then select the eraser tool and clean some parts of the photo. Let's add our first text. Let's change the type to medium and then the size to 11. Make a duplicate and then edit. Press Ctrl J to make a copy and drag the copy to this place and edit it as a title. Let's change the font from properties. We are changing the font to Adam CD. Press and hold the Alt key and drag this text to make a copy and edit. Let's make another copy. And then change the color of this one to gold. Press and hold the Shift key and make a selection of these text and resize. Okay, so grab the shape tool and then let's put one shape here. Let's zoom in. Change the color and then choose from here. I'll come to the color and turn it off, and let's activate the outline. Choose the broken line and then increase the weight of the outline. Okay, so let's grab one of these and then edit and put the author's name. Let's reduce the size. Let's change the font to Marcellus. Select the rectangular tool and let's put one to cover the back page. Now come to the color and choose gradient. Click on this bar, then double click on this and let's choose a color from here. Double click on this one and choose another color from here. Click OK. OK. Now come to where the linear is and change it to radial. Then let's invert the colors. Come to the scale and set it to 200. Okay, so grab your text tool and let's begin to type. Okay, so pick the text tool again and let's keep typing. Now pick the shape again and then let's place it in the middle here. And let's pick a sample from here. Okay, so pick the text tool, then let's put the text in the middle. Select your text, right click and choose rotate 90 degrees. Okay, if you need this file, comment below, I'll send it to you. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so, and also share this with your friends. See you again in the next tutorial.